right, so we just gonna jump straight into it. No long ass intro. Let's get to it. So I am taking apart this factory made wig. I'm going to be replacing the frontal on this unit. Now this is the first time I've done some like this, okay? So what you want to do is take your scissors and we're just going to cut off the frontal, or if you have a closure, let's just cut it. Let's just cut it with some scissors. Okay, so now we're done to the end, and now I am going to place it onto my canvas head, and I'm using my T-pins to just secure it and to place it back how I need it to be formed, right? And I'm going to take my new transparent frontal. Now y'all can get some lace from my website, okay? But this is a transparent frontal, 20 inches. Now this wig is 30 inches, but it's okay because I'm gonna make this motherfucker blend. And now we're gonna take our T-pins, and what I'm doing is I'm taking my T-pins along with the frontal, and I'm just gonna be placing the T-pins. And let me tell y'all, I did this a couple times just to make sure everything aligns and the placement is where it needs to be. And once it's where it needs to be, I am going to take my needle and thread, and we are going to sew it down. Now look, it may seem like it's difficult, but it's not. As long as you know the placement on, you know, your lace, you'll be a-okay. So I'm going to just knot it, and I'm going to hand sew it first. This way when it's time to place it under the sewing machine, it will be a lot easier because everything is like in place and intact. So you want to do that from ear to ear, straight across. Now look, y'all better give this video a thumbs up if you already came this far. Please, just go like the damn video. So I'm just going to continue to sew it down, and as you see it, it looks brand new. So I'm just showing you the inside of the wig and how hand stitched it is, and it's back to being super full. So now I'm going to go on the sewing machine, and now I'm just going to restitch. And just like that, bada boom, bada bing, it is nicely secured. Now let me tell y'all, I do wig making classes. Y'all can check out my website, check out my Instagram, just to stay in tune on where I will be and what I'm doing next. But this is the wig. It is super full, as you can see, but it's wet because I just washed it, deep conditioned it, and now I'm going to style it. So just keep watching, and thank you.